Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover everyday English phrases for beginners. If you're new to learning English or just want to brush up on some basics, these simple and useful expressions will help you communicate effectively in daily situations. From greetings to asking for help, we got you covered. So, let's get started. First, let's go over some basic greetings and introductions. When you meet someone, start by saying hello or hi. To ask how they're doing, say, how are you? Or how's it going? A typical response is, I'm good, thank you. And you? If you're meeting someone for the first time, you can introduce yourself with, my name is, or I'm, for example, my name is John, or I'm Maria. This helps you start conversations on the right foot and show that you're open to interacting. Now, let's move on to asking for help or directions. Use polite phrases like, excuse me, could you help me? Or can you tell me how to get to? For example, excuse me, could you help me find the nearest coffee shop? Or can you tell me how to get to the train station? Don't forget to say, thank you, after someone helps you. Being polite and showing gratitude makes your English sound more natural and respectful. When you're at a store or a restaurant, there are some key phrases that will come in handy. If you're shopping, you can ask, how much does this cost? Or do you have this in another size? At a restaurant, start with, can I have a table for two, please? And when ordering, use, I would like, or can I have? For example, I would like a salad, please. Or can I have the menu? These basic phrases will help you get what you need and navigate these situations with ease. Let's talk about some expressions for making small talk. Asking simple questions like, where are you from? Or what do you do? Can help you get to know someone better. To keep the conversation going, respond with, that's interesting, or tell me more about that. These phrases show that you're interested in what the other person is saying and encourage them to share more. Next, let's cover some phrases for talking about preferences and opinions. Use I like or I don't like to express what you enjoy or dislike. For example, I like watching movies, or I don't like spicy food. If you want to ask someone about their preferences, say, what do you like to do in your free time? Or do you like to travel? This can open up more topics for discussion and help you connect with others. If you need to apologize or clarify something, use phrases like, I'm sorry, or I didn't understand that. Could you say it again, please? This is very helpful when you're in a new place or learning a new language, as it shows that you're trying to understand and communicate better. Don't be afraid to ask questions or repeat things until you're clear. When it's time to say goodbye, you can keep it simple with goodbye or see you later. If you want to sound a bit more casual, try bye or take care. If you've enjoyed the conversation, say, it was nice talking to you, or hope to see you again soon. These farewell phrases leave a positive impression and show that you appreciated the interaction. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Basic greetings like hello or hi. Useful phrases like, can you help me? Or how much does this cost? And how to express your likes and dislikes. Practice using these phrases every day, and you'll soon feel more confident speaking English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons and tips. Thank you so much for watching and keep practicing. See you in the next video, and happy learning!